the AITMD solution, the paper set S. Question number 1. The mean free path of a molecule of a gas radius r is inversely proportional to. It is a direct question. It is formula based question. Mean free path, that is equal to 1 upon root of 2 pi n d square, where d is diameter. So either it is diameter or either it is radius. So we put the value of the radius, that is 2r, it is square. So that means what? It is inversely proportional to the r square. So option number 4 is correct. Now question number 2. A particle is moving such that its position coordinate x, y, r at 2 meter, 3 meter at time t equal to 0, 6 meter, 7 meter at time t equal to 2, 13 meter and 14 meter t equal to 5 seconds. And the question is that the average velocity of the particle from t equal to 0 to t equal to 5 seconds. That means average velocity is what? Total displacement upon total time. So on x-axis, the final position at 13 meter and initial position is 2 meter. So on an x-axis it will become 11 meter. And on y-axis 14 meter and 3 meter. So 14 minus 3 j cap, that is equal to 11. So that is the total displacement. So total displacement is how much? 11 I cap plus 11 j cap divided by total time is how much? Total time t equal to 5 seconds to t equal to 0, that means 5. So average velocity is 11 I cap plus 11 j cap. So option number 2 is correct. The dependence of intensity of gravitational field E of Earth will be the distance r from the center of Earth is correctly represented by. So as we know, Earth is a solid sphere. So inside the Earth, at the center of the Earth, the electric field intensity will be 0. As we move from center to periphery, the electric field intensity is directly proportional to R. And then electric field intensity will be decreases. But as the distance will be increases, the electric field will become negative. So the correct graph will be, this one is not correct because this graph is curved. This one is also not correct, this graph is curved. Say third and fourth one is correct. But the correct representation is that electric field, as we move away from the earth, the electric field intensity will be increases, but the direction of field intensity will be opposite. So correct graph will be, it is directly proportional graph, then away from the periphery, it will be inversely proportional. So the correct graph will be 3. Now in question number 4 is related to atomic structure. When the energy of the incident radiation increased by 20%, the kinetic energy of the photoelectron emitted from a metal surface is increased from 0.5 electron volt to 0.8 electron volt. The work function of the metal is, the option 1 is 1.3 electron volt, option 2 is 1.5 electron volt, option 3 is 0.65 electron volt, and option 4 is 1 electron volt. So the total energy equal to work function plus kinetic energy. So when the energy of the incident radiation is increased by 20%, so total energy is increased by 20%. Let the total energy, initial energy is E, the work function is W, plus kinetic energy is 0.5 electron volt. Now 20% total energy is increases, so new energy will become 1.2 E. Work function will remain same plus 0.5. So kinetic energy will become 0.8 electron volt. 0.8 electron volt. Then we solve the equation and find the value of work function. So we get 1 electron, 1.0 electron volt. So option 4th will be correct.